Hello everybody, Lindra's back for the second episode of this video how to make my FeedColorChanger. So now we are going to make the most important part, so the coding part in for your FeedColorChanger. So I'm going to end this shit, and as you can see I launched my techno. So right now we are going to do the most important part. So go to project, add existence element or existence things, I don't know what is it in English. So just go here and just put the file I just dropped in the description of the video. So just add it, and after, you don't need to click on it or anything, it will add everything is okay now. So double click on the form one, it will open this small window. So now we are going to start to put some code line and things important in it. So as first we want when we are going to change this track bar, we want the panel to change the color. So if we want it to react each time we change the track bar value, we need a timer. So we are going to put a timer on, timer 1, okay. So here is the timer 1. So from 1 we are going to say timer 1 point start if you want the timer 1 to start when we click on the project every time we join the project. Like every time you launch the project, we want the timer 1 to start. So we did timer 1 start when we click on the project. When the project loads, sorry, my bad. So next time, timer 1, we want the panel 1, so the panel we add, panel 1, point back color to change every time we move the track bar. So it's going to be color point from our RGB. Here it's going to be track bar red point value, because we want each time there is a different red value we want it to change. Same for track bar green point value, dot value, dot and comma. Okay, so it's tb red dot value comma space tb green dot value comma space tb blue dot value, dot value, and that's it. So now if we launch the project, every time we are going to change the red color, it's going to change in the square. Every time we are going to change in green, it's the same, blue the same, and everything is okay. So now we can get everything we want, but we want to see it in the numeric up and down value. So we are going to click on the track bar, click on each track bar. So for the first one, the red one, so we are going to put an add red one. Excuse me. So for the red one, you need to do like this. We need the timer one. Timer 1 is already started, so we don't need it anymore. So we are going to do like we want the numeric up and down value 1 for the scroll bar red value to change every time the red track bar point value is going to change. So if we run it, as you can see, when I change the value of my track bar, the numeric up and down is moving. But when we change the numeric up and down, the track bar isn't moving, so we are going to fix it after. So do the same for the green and the blue. Don't forget to change the numeric up and down, because for the green is numeric up and down 2, and the track bar is already, it's track bar green. Same for the blue, track bar blue and numeric up and down 3. So right now when we are moving all of them are just the number are moving just right there. So now we want when we change the numeric up and down value to be on the track bar. Like every time we are changing the value, we want it to be like if imagine you want 200 for the red, and you are like close to 190, and it's not possible for you to reach the 200 for a reason that I didn't know. So you need this numeric up and down to change it all the time. It's look pretty great and pretty smooth. So for the next part, you just need to take the same line but move it in the different way. Like it's not going to be numeric up and down 1 point value. It's going dot value. It's going to be trackbar red point value dot value. Sorry, I say point because I don't know, but value. Okay, it's equal to numeric up and down dot value. All right. So as you can see now, if I run the application, when I move the track bar, the numeric up and down is moving, and when I change the value in the numeric up and down, the track bar is moving too. So that's pretty great. Let's doing it for the rest. So you can copy and paste it everywhere. So copy red, this is green. Yep, we want this one. Numeric up and down value 2, numeric up and down value 3, and here is blue. Alright. So everything is working well right now. We can do this, and everything is working fine. Just precaution, just warning, don't put everything to 2055 because you will get an error and the project will crash. If it's not possible for you to keep it back, I will do it for you. For an example, if you try to put everything to 2055 for Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3, the game will be crashed because white isn't accepted in the game. So you will need to press escape and try to remove it in the back. Okay, so right now we want it to work when we click on the send to techno feed button. So for this one we need to set something. So for every Call of Duty you need to know something. You need to create a value with a reference. Like you can put whatever thing you want. You can put like I don't know, you can put red blah blah blah. Me, I prefer to put a single letter, so I put like A because I all the time call my FPS unlocker things with a, so I put like dim A as a new writer class. This is for Call of Duty. Writer class is for Call of Duty, so it's working pretty well. So right now for the button, we can say a.process handle. I don't know what is the name of it. I will check. I don't know. I think it's dot or I don't know what to say. Oh, 0 inverted comma. I don't know. I don't really know if it's correct or not. I guess it's inverted comma. So, and here you put the name of your Call of Duty. So I will do it for Techno, so it will not work for another Call of Duty. So for this one, you need to put IW5MP. So this is for Call of Duty, for Technocode or Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. So process process handle. How to say? I don't know. Brackets. Yeah, I think it's that. Yeah, brackets, and inverted commas, and that's it. So next, we are going to put dot write integers, a dot read integers, double bracket, and we are going to put our function right there. So and it's plus, and I call it n because I don't know what's the name of it. I think it's n. I don't really know. For me it's n. So n, big H and big C. So if it's make as children like me, just click wherever you want and just come back on it. Put a comma, a comma, and for the beginning. We can do like two brackets with two inverted commas, and put like for red is 1001. Okay, and here we want to put like imagine the alias team. The alias team is and big H 8F AAD0 D0. Sorry for my zero is a bit buggy, so that's why my O is a bit buggy, so that's why sometimes the screen is coming dark. Okay, and if you want the same for the axis team, you need to, I don't know, whatever. I need to remember. I think 42 is maybe yellow or blue. I'm not really sure. I don't promise you anything because that's not what we are going to do after. This is just an example. If you want to skip the example, just skip the example. For this one, it's 8F AB 58. Is it correct? Yeah, it's correct. So when we run the application, so this is working, but doesn't send for the moment the color of the feed. We are going to do it after. So if we are going to team deathmatch server, because this tool is not working in free for all, I need to see why. I need to work on it to see why it doesn't work in free for all and maybe fix it later. But for now, I just want to show you how it's working, how is it to make a tool like this. So we are going in a team deathmatch server on Technogods. We just run our project, who's right there, and when we are going to click on send to Technogods feed, it's going to send the color in Technogods feed. So right there, if we join, the feed is totally normal. And if you just click on send to Technogod feed, to Techno feed, oh, as you can see, yeah, it's green and red. So yeah, everything is working fine, because we got the feed, and when I get killed and I respawn, the feed is also stay there. So I'm going to leave this server and let you see how can we change the color manually.